Welcome to Minutes to Learn It. Today, we are exploring a magical place where ancient traditions, language, and heritage come alive. Get ready to be amazed by the wonders awaiting us. This is a story of Mattur or Mathua, a village in Shivamogga district in Karnataka state in India. This village is not just a place, but a living repository of Sanskrit culture. The heart of this village lies in its commitment to preserving the Sanskrit language. How did it start? In 1981, Sanskrita Bharati, a group dedicated to promoting Sanskrit, held a 10-day workshop in Mattur. Many notable people, including the Pejavar Matsya from nearby Udupi, attended the workshop. Impressed by the villagers' eagerness to preserve Sanskrit, the seer suggested the concept of a Sanskrit village, an idea warmly accepted by the locals. Its festivals, rituals, and lifestyle reflect the essence of ancient India. The architecture here is similar to the forgotten era with carvings and designs that seem to whisper tales of history. Let's take a look at how the village is preparing its youth to carry the torch of Sanskrit heritage forward. Built as a square, with a temple at the center, Mattur has a village Pathshala, a traditional school. The students are put under a strict training of their Sanskrit masters and learn Vedas from the age of 10. Everyone in the village you come across speaks in Sanskrit like a pro, and even the local wall graffiti is written in the ancient Indian language. From modern education blended with traditional teachings to technological innovations, this village is embracing change while staying rooted. It's a living testament to India's cultural roots. Sanskrit dictionary contain approximately 102.78 billion words. According to NASA, it's highly useful for computers. Scientists believe that those who learn Sanskrit excel in science and mathematics. Nowadays, many universities abroad study Sanskrit. However, in India, there are very few native speakers of Sanskrit. Despite being one of the world's richest languages, it's considered endangered in India. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.